me just pull one over pan way. Never see this coming.
No, I will never see it, bossy. Find out who.
Let me guess. Jonathan Majors.
And him call me and tell me say, my mother Bill Bull.
I wonder what them want with that brother there. Cause this seems like them are save him from something. Or them want him for something.
Remember, Bull have links to Radcliffe. And Radcliffe was in business with Mr. Daly.
That's a matter of fact. Daily, or Radcliffe.
All this time, I think I teach this man a lesson and him change him ways. I pay back the man did a plan.
Remember this. A leopard never change them spots.
And cats don't bark. You know, so we should have seen this coming, bossy. We really let down a guard on this.
No. This is my bad. When you stand up with me for this, I'm gonna make the wrong decision.
Right now, that's a water under the bridge. I could talk about what we're going to do right now.
You mean outside of what Mr. Mullins tell us to do?
Yeah, that is the immediate plan. What we need to do now.
Plan a contingency.
Exactly.
What do you think we should have started with?
Well, I know say all along we do this thing. We don't have no picture for Roxy's fiance. So me we do that part there. Because obviously, him come down here disguised.
And obviously, him that change a disguise there by now.
How sure say him even still there here? If I drop him, come drop it off. He might drop it off and cut already.
If me know Roxy very well, one tracker good lay upon him already.
But bossy, if I work for the other side, you don't think same that check for that?
Of course. But does that mean we don't check?
No, I just I said, as an agent, that's what I would do.
Yeah, Roxy. Yeah, we just come out of a meeting with Mr. Mullins and him give you the details. Send me a picture of your fiance. And you do what I think you do, right? Smart girl. Shoes. Them on. Perfect. We do the rest. Yeah, man, we're good.
Details.
She gonna send them to me in 10 minutes. Me send it to you. From there, say you start track. Shoes and suitcase.
Alright.
So if him find them tracker there, that not put Roxy in danger when him go back up.
That means him don't go back up. And she said he might travel under the name Philip Montague.
So first, we need to find out what him look like and send out an APB at all of the airports.
And make sure so we do a deep search to see if there's any airstrips what we don't know about.
Smart girl. Because him not must leave by the international airports.
We have to check the ports them too, bossy.
And we definitely have to know what him look like. Because by now, him change the name there.
Yeah. Well, Now we know. So we know what we need to do now.